I see trees of green and red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, bright blessed day, and a dog say goodnight. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, all on the faces of the people passing by.